Welcome to a new way of gaming. When you think of Netflix, you think of movies or maybe even TV shows. Team Innovation is here to change that. We will walk you through a new component that will modernize gaming. Currently, Netflix is leading the pack when it comes to on demand entertainment. The problem, however, is Netflix is facing an innovation problem. The organization will need to increase performance in order to keep up with its competition and keep its subscribers interested. What can fix this, you may ask? By adding the new gaming component, Netflix will be the innovator of a new way to access games. It will increase subscribers, therefore increasing revenue while keeping consumers interested. The solution to the innovation problem that Netflix is experiencing is to launch a new platform of video games to their services. Netflix Gaming would allow for downloadable content for the video game package with their services. Consumers will have access to a large database of popular video games that they can play and save to their Netflix account. Netflix will single-handedly transform gaming from a product to a service and corner the market before any others offer the service at a scalable level. Netflix is the world's leading internet television network with over 62 million members in over 50 countries, enjoying more than 100 million hours of TV shows and movies per day. These also include original series, documentaries, and featured films. Operating income and net income increased as compared to prior year by 178.4 million and 95.3 million. Being an online DVD rental store, Netflix combines the growing home entertainment market and the internet, making it the leader in streaming video content. As you can see from this chart, Netflix will offer much more than what its competitors can. There will be 4 new positions created under current executives to accommodate the specific needs and workload for the gaming component. Marketing, content, product, and streaming partnerships were chosen for these additions because these departments require special focus on gaming. Netflix Gameplay offers a new age product of video game streaming, also known as cloud gaming. The price at $19.95 is affordable because it only adds about $10 to an average subscription package. Netflix Gameplay provides a convenient to play with any console once you are connected to the internet. Our promotion will be to the gaming community, focusing on industry-specific publications and websites. Some legal factors that we will need to take into consideration during the implementation of this proposal will mostly relate to licensing issues. We have to make sure our documentation supports the use of the titles. When it comes to those workers working on this project, we need them to sign a non-compete contract and confidentiality agreement to protect our properties. Netflix has a focus on honest and ethical conduct and embodies this in their loyalty to the best interest of stockholders. As a result of close attention to employee communications, Netflix also enjoys approval of ethical business practices by employees. The cost to Netflix to provide an HD movie to a consumer is approximately 3 cents per gigabyte. Therefore, it is estimated to cost 27 cents per video game that is downloaded. The total cost for year 1 will be $2.8 million, while year 2 is $10.8 million and year 3 will increase to $50.8 million, while all other costs are at a fixed rate for the 3 years except legal licensing, which sees increases. Year 2 from $2 to $10 million and year 3 from $10 million to $50 million. When you consider the financial obligation of this project, the majority of the costs are to develop our catalog of games, with legal and licensing costs at 96% of the entire budget. In the first year, we expect projected sales of over $10 million. In year 2, that will grow to over $39 million in sales and reaching $99 million by year 3. Our first year will enter the market aggressively, and our membership enrollment will reach 100,000 subscribers. In year two, we'll grow our game library by investing in licensing and building relationships with game distributors. We'll also use focus groups to address customer complaints and suggestions to improve the platform and experience overall. After establishing a large customer base, we'll keep our systems ahead of the technology curve by upgrading our hardware and software. We'll also look to partner with a large gaming company, and our membership enrollment will exceed 300,000 subscribers. Using prior analytics will definitely put Netflix in an advantage and will be easy to monitor the outcome of adding video games as an option to customers. Since we are rolling out this product with only 3 major publishers with around 20 different video games, we have to keep a close eye on feedback and review from users. If there is a successful rate, we will then get in contact with Ubisoft, Rockstar Games, and others for licensing purposes to build our library. Corrective action will be taken place every 3 to 6 months. This means if the gaming section is doing well, we will be able to determine approximately how many new titles we can add moving forward. If our budget and monthly goals are not where we should like or where we would like them to be, then we must find ways to possibly market and advertise this new service better and attract more customers. With Netflix leading the streaming industry in general, this is an opportunity to be the destination for all entertainment on demand on any device. Let us grow our portfolio, expand our product offering, and become synonymous with streaming entertainment. Celebrate our next venture, Netflix Gameplay, a new way to play. Thank you all so much for your time, and now we will go ahead and open up the floor for any questions that you may have.